What do you think is a favorite line or favorite quote that you are inspired by or wish to share with us?
But you see this everywhere. It's an old, it's a declaration, it's a statement of a human being. I see this everywhere, but during my student days, nakalagay talaga yan sa ibabaw ng pigeonhole namin. Yung lagyan ng mga messages pati. So say, there was this blackboard chase that I expect to pass through this world, but once any good therefore that I can do to any fellow creature, let me do it now. Let me not defer or neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. And nakikita namin, kalat kaming katira sa dormitoryo naman. Ayun ang sa akin. Nothing is permanent. So, one time to. Life is too short, too precious. And alam mo, there's always, as far as politicians, meron man talagang nagagalit sa amin, kaya na mga desisyon man nagamat. It's really how, kasabi ko nga, if God will not consider me because I've never been religious. I just believe that there's a superior entity more than the ordinary mortal. But if God cannot accept my religiosity because I have a little of it, then maybe He can also consider na anong ginawa ko sa kapwa-tao ko. I am really outraged sa oppression sa but as the track record would show na meron rin akong, but it's really how you treat your fellow human being. I have tried. If I fail, then yan lang lang ang magawa. Wala akong magawa. Hanggang dyan lang ako. If say that, ikaw, mabuti nga, you have done this, but one erases the other because maraming umiiyak dyan. Kung hanggang dyan lang ako, yun na yun. At least sabi ko, hindi ako magpahipokrito. Nilalantad ko lahat.